This is my client who came in wanting to go a little bit darker than her natural color and to add a pink peekaboo. I sectioned out the peekaboo section where we were going to be lightening and started working on evening out the hair before lightening the roots. I use the double foil technique, which helps me to separate the dark hairs going down into the end and make sure the strand is going to be as even as possible. Once those sections are ready, I then remove those foils and start applying the lightener onto the roots as well. As you can see, her hair is already so much more even, and you can no longer see the dark strands throughout the ends of her hair. I then applied the lightener onto the roots as well. Once I was ready, I mixed up her color using Pravana Magenta, which is my favorite pink to use. It's so bright and it can deposit pigment on almost any level of hair. I also added Pravana's clear dilute into the mix, which helps to really seal the cuticle and adds so much shine. I wanted to show you guys how beautiful it already looked straight before curling it. We were so in love with the sectioning of this peekaboo. The pink was so bright and even, and the brown color was so gorgeous and natural as well. I absolutely love the contrast of these colors, and I love that it looks so beautiful from every angle. Her hair was so incredibly shiny and felt so soft and healthy, and we could not get over how beautiful her hair was.